We got the package from Latansa. This should be a honey product. As you can see, this is the promo price. The normal price is this. We got some promo. Let's see. This is the things. Okay, this is the real price. So let's open this. First, we can see that the package is open at the top, but I'm sure there's a safe because it's professional in the packaging. So many times they send it to all around Indonesia empty. This is the packages inside. Let's reopen this. I found the weak point in here. Okay. I think if we break central like this. It doesn't know where to begin. Because this packaging is very thick. Okay, the item is in a good condition. As you can see, whoa, hula hula. This is real, like the photos. Everything is good. This is using a marjan syrup bottle. The wet in here, I don't know why. We can open this, I think. Oh wait, I opened the top. As you can see, this is using a seal like this. Okay, let's test it like before. We use a water test. We use a water test to check the originality of honey. Okay, magically it happened. They create his own honey nest. There is a diagonal, hexagonal pattern in there. The water turns to yellow. And when we shake like this, it shows that that's honey is original. Okay, this is it. The honey. This honey is come from the Baduy. And the packages is like this. Well, it's quite good. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Let's reopen this. I'm so curious what is behind this. This is just an ornament. Let's open this and see what is behind this. Wow. Oh, like that. You can see the real honey from here. See that? This is it.